Mom's Racing. 2 castings. Brandy spanking new. Thomas has got a hitch. Just like all the old school ones. You can hook these together just like the trains. See that right there? It fits right in there. So you can hook a bunch of these together as well. And unfortunately, you guys, we only got one. So we're just going to have to race these. Oh boy, Scorcher just got scorched by the engine that could. Let's do a lane change. What do you say, Mr. Monjo?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right, let's do this. Guys, Thomas is definitely the engine that could. Scorcher, you just got scorched. Sorry about your luck. Okay, guys, till next time, Mr. Mom's Racing. We are over and out. Mr. Mom's Racing.